In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default checkout button text on cart page in Shopify. And for the purpose of this example, I'm using .theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select online store. Now locate your current theme. In my case, it's DOM version 15.3.0. Then select three dots and then click on Edit Default Theme Content. Right on this page at the very top, look for the Sections tab. Scroll a bit down till you find Cart section and then look for Checkout. And right here, we can edit the checkout button text. As an example, let's change the text from Checkout to Proceed to Checkout. Proceed to Checkout. Now let's save the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to Cart page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the button was just updated. Now says Proceed to Checkout. Alternatively, if you cannot find the Sections tab under the theme content, there's another method we can change the text. For that, simply click on Themes. Once again, look for your current theme, then click on three dots and then select Edit Code. Within the code editor, at the very top, look for the filter and then just type en.default.json and make sure it's in lowercase. And then look for the file en.default.json. Let's open it. Now place the cursor in the code editor and then press Ctrl F on keyboard and then type checkout and then select next. And once again, in my case, approximately on line 299, that's where you can edit the button text. Let's change it from Proceed to Checkout to something different like Go to Checkout. And make sure to make the change within the double quotation marks. Go to Checkout. Now let's save the changes. Once again, let's go back to Cart page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, after the second update, the button now says Go to Checkout. So as usual, I hope you found the short video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.